So we're gonna need to invite Finn. He's reinstalling it right now. That's why I'm still in the call with him.
Alright, teach me how to play.
Fun fact, I don't really know how to play either.
Oh, so we both just installed this game, basically.
Yes.
That looks so retarded.
Okay, Finn's antivirus is saying first close this and warm up, because you see this? It's a heater.
Right.
And if you look at the left, you can see
burn
my body
myself?
temperature cooling when we go outside.
Can I burn myself? I want to burn myself.
Yes, Finn. Finn, how could you play it yesterday if it's bugging out today?
Well, you got a gun. You got a gun, dude.
Yeah, keep it, we're gonna need it. The first thing.
Why can I hear you talk? Nah. Also, I'm sorry for shooting you. It was just a test.
No, you're fucking not. No, you're not.
I'm not sorry.
How did you die? How did you die? I just stopped paying attention.
I set myself on fire 3 times.
Wow, you're a lobotomite. Jesus Christ.
What's that do? Wait, no. Oh, I'm dead. Okay.
Wait, we gotta wait for Tavo. We invited Tavo, he's gonna join.
Didn't he say he's not gonna join?
He literally just messaged me on Discord saying he can join. Oh,
Pardon? Oh, there's how many players was that? Alright. What happened there? I'm actually... Wait, can I just touch you with flyer?
Bro.
That's so funny though.
Shane is just doing straight up OSHA violations.
Yeah, well.
So. No! No, don't do it. No. Don't do it.
What are you feeling?
One gunshot is all it takes.
Are you sure? Why is it so wobbly? Why is it... Finn?
Stop.
No. Why is it so wobbly, Finn? No! How did I miss? Ah! No, Finn!
kill him, Finn!
No! Hey, chill! Chill. Alright. Let's leave it behind.
Get in. No.
Yeah, let's do that. Ash, you're running over. Wait.
Yeah.
Can I drive, please? I have an idea.
But I have a bad feeling about
No,
your
please
driving.
just let me drive. I'm telling you, I have the best idea in the world.
What are you gonna do? We have to go to base camp.
I'm gonna run trip
Number 2.
Hold on, where is trip?
I don't think he will realize it. He's gonna run you over.
Wait, guys, I gotta turn around. Guys, I gotta turn around. This thing sucks. Oh, you're right, bro. This thing sucks.
Right? I kind of.
How did I miss both of you? What is this game? Oh. Okay. Wait. No. This game sucks.
Back next time, just do it to him.
Ah!
go find this building instead of being reached.
How am I not running anything? What is this game?
Finn's putting in a shift. So, did you have fun?
Yeah, this is a very fun time.
How did you die?
I got some pills, I think. Yeah. I stepped on a mine.
I would say I'm sorry, but I'm not.
I know you're not.
So we call it a little bit of karma.
Okay, let's go back.
Alright.
Let's go back to the building. Let's go get the report. Let's get the report and let's get out of here. I'm not staying here anymore. No chance. Oh my god, it turned the tripwire back.
Did I just
Hey, how did you die?
Oh.
Wait, did you?
He
Did
killed
you
us
you
all.
die?
He killed us with the tripwire.
Oh my god.
At
What?
the end of the day,
wait, how does it not work?
at 8. There you go.
Yeah, so I haven't been speaking the entire time.
Stop being loud, please!
Turn down your volume. Fuck.
Okay, I'll turn down my volume. My bad, guys. There, is that better?
Say, time it loud.
Wait.
Chemistry. That's it.
Hey, it's me, Saint!
Oh my
How do you know how loud I am?
Oh my god.
Okay, now we're gonna go to the other building.
Hey!
Yo!
Yo!
Hey!
Hey!
Yo!
Yo! Hey! Why? Why? Don't laugh at me, Lara!
You said that to me.
Of course, yeah, but you're Scottish. So you kind of deserve it.
He got
Bruh.
me too, Sid.
Bro, that was good, man.
Well, that's annoying.
So I was the Balkan Rage.
You're gonna.
You know, funny thing, I was about to pull my flamethrower out and just fire at him.
I was teaching him about the.
Man.
I'm getting a weapon.
Yeah, we need a weapon to fend off against him.
I need a weapon. No. Oh!
Oh, yes, 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 yes! Skibbity, skibbity, dog.
Oh! It's a cat!
Yeah!
Yes, Daddy! Give me a...
What's wrong with you?
Oh, it's the husky!
Hey!
Ow! Come on! Who's that? Bosnian!
Hey, Bosnian! Why do you like dumb apples, huh? Oh no, Finn! Finn! Finn is there! No! Finn! Finn! Are you okay? We didn't mean to do that. Are you okay?
I still got more fuel!
Oh my god.
Oh, I love this game.
Oh,
dude.
shit!
Like one more scratch is all it takes for me.
What does a wheel do?
One more scratch.
One more. Can I punch you?
No.
How do you punch? Just not do that?
Oh, I'm stuck.
No,
that's not
that's a
punching.
dance.
Guys, I got another shotgun in this.
Yeah.
Whoa, can you give me it? You can give me it. I'm trustworthy.
I mean,
trustworthy.
I got two now.
Come on, you know I'm trustworthy. I wouldn't shoot you. I wasn't Bosnian.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wait, why did you drop
I don't know.
Alright, let's go see.
Oh! Wait, what? I didn't think you were alive. Dude.
Oh my god. Stop pointing the shotgun at
I'm
me.
sorry, I can't
Did you
really look
fucking steal my snowmobile, you son of a bitch! You stole my fucking snowmobile! This fucker robbed me of my fucking... I swear to God. It's out of fuel! You're so fucking useless, holy shit!
Hey, get off! That was my suit!
Okay,
He stole my snowmobile and then ran out of fuel. Holy shit, he's useless. It was full. It was literally full. I filled it up to the brim. I had everything planned out. I had a nice long journey fucking planned. I was gonna get all the objectives and then fucking spawn. But no, this fucker stole my shit. How'd you fuck up that badly?
He's from Glasgow.
Glasgow, not Glasgow.
Okay, I can't pronounce it because I'm not Scottish. Is this a can?
It's not even Scottish, it's just the way Glasgow is, what would that be? I guess Americans might pronounce it like that.
Yeah.
Alright, we're running out of fuel, so we're going to have to make the rest of a 500-meter journey on foot.
Yeah.
Once it runs out, of course. Well, you know, I had a full snowmobile, but unfortunately, someone decided to go a little Romanian, and just, you know, my snowmobile just disappeared.
Yeah.
And if it wasn't enough to steal the snowmobile, he also siphoned off all the fuel somehow. Fucking robbed. How, man? Everything was perfect. It's actually fucked up, man. It was so well planned.
What were you even gonna do with the snowmobile?
I was gonna go do separate objectives whilst you guys did your own. That way we can actually win for once.
Yeah, that's probably
Like, that's usually. I did like the medbay one. I was planning to do the silo one as well, but I was gonna make my last stand first to make sure I didn't fucking die. Okay, here we need to turn on the generator, then we find the vaccine. You rough as fuck.
What's up?
You've died twice already.
Hey!
Hi, man.
Hey!
Hey, why'd you shoot me, though? Why'd you shoot me?
I thought it would be funny for the clip. That's about it. What? What? I was a dating plan.
Why can't I just get useful teammates?
Oh no! Finn!
Yeah? Yeah?
Finn, come here.
Yeah?
Please. Finn! Why are you running away? Come back!
What?
Come back!
Why do you have a shotgun?
Okay, I have beef jerky, come back. Look, come back.
No.
I did
You
something
wanna
very
tame a dog?
bad.
You got beef jerky?
Yes, look, I did something very bad over here. Listen,
What happened?
Ella Ray started shooting me with a revolver. I pulled out my shotgun and shot him, but he got caught in the crossfire.
Okay, do you want to revive them?
only tripped the kid, because I actually didn't mean to kill him. And
Calling to me.
oh, what?
Get in, guys.
That's crazy.
We're gonna do this.
You just
I now know how to fly, so I'm sure.
I can't see a damn thing.
Me too.
Okay.
Oh shit.
I fucking caught it.
Are you serious? I now know how to fly.
Wait, thanks for
This
lying.
last one. Everyone's dead, bro. This idiot can't stop laughing.
I was gonna say, like, the pilot, I held
Playing again.
Then I see shooting. and violently smacked in the face.
We're playing again. Guys, you won't believe me, but I see another helicopter, like, just you guys know what I'm talking about.
No.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I know how to fly, guys, right?
Alright.
No, don't trust it.
Wait! Don't actually do it, bro. Wait for me! Wait for me, please! Wait for me, okay.
Wait, this has no
You
this
can-
has no
What the hell? What? Am I dead? What?
No problem.
What's killed me? What? Oh, he's definitely crashing. Yeah, he's.
We got shot down. We got shot down.
Hi, Finn.
Bro, the anti-air is key.
Yeah. You killed me with the
Wait, did you get killed immediately?
You killed me with the propeller somehow.
She thought.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know.
But I was flying. I almost landed. They just shot me down.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh man.
Triplicate doesn't even care.
Oh wait, Jet. Please, Jet, revive us.
No, Ben, I didn't know it actually explodes if I hit you.
Bro, you shot me down. I was gonna land successfully. I was flying so well. I was living my life, and you just shot me down. Like, come on.
I just see the bullet hit and I see the fire coming from the edge.
Man.
And you're walloping into the
Guys,
ground.
listen. I think you can now trust me that I can fly helicopters.
Yes,
And
yeah.
yeah, if you guys just don't shoot me down, I'm sure I can fly.
Oh, Ben!
Yeah.
Where have you been?
I'm fine.
No! 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 What?
Oh, man. Boy. I mean, I finished my stuff.
Is he dead?
He's
he
dead
dead?
because he shot him in the head.
I don't think he's dead. He's alive. He's alive. Did you see how he's...
Oh, thank God.
Oh man.
What?
He's
I'm
dead.
coming back with a
What do you mean?
vengeance.
No, he's
I'm
not.
coming back with a
Too loud.
vengeance.
He's not.
But you're like
See, he's
standing
not.
still on their screen, it's weird.
See?
You're not actually dead.
I am.
Okay, let's focus on our task.
But it doesn't look like you're dead.
Okay, let's focus on our task. Wait.
I can't believe these guys. Oh.
Oh no!
That was deserved.
That was so deserved.
Bosnian!
He just keeps playing. That was so deserved, dude. Why is he
I'm not
lighting
just
himself
thinking-
on fire?
Oh, hey.
I'm not just
Alora.
I'm not just the game again.
Oh, what the hell? I'm just floating. Oh, no, that's not good.
You're so bad. You're
Shut
so bad in the
up.
game.
It's not even funny.
I love how I switched to Shane's perspective, I see that's not good, and then he falls to his death.
It's not even funny, bro.
You're so bad at the game, Saint.
Shut
Imagine
up.
falling off and dying to your fall
It's
damage.
Finn, and is it just Finn? He just messaged me, where am I? I feel bad. Guys. Why am I the only one talking?
Take a deep breath.
What is he doing?
Close my eyes and count.
That's what Finn said to me. Chet did this project to see what Finn said to me.
1, 2.
No! No, Finn. That was so dramatic for no reason.